This is the DJI Mini 3 drone. One of the main reasons why we purchased this drone is for its vertical shooting capability. I post a lot of beach videos and images on my social media and wanted to elevate my content with new perspectives. This drone is super lightweight and small. As you can see, it's no bigger than my husband's hand. It weighs about 8.74 ounces. The battery lasts for about 38 minutes on a full charge. It shoots 4K video with up to 30 frames per second. The ISO range is up to 3200, which means you can fly on darker days and really keep that video quality. The camera shoots 12 megapixels in JPEG format and I believe RAW. Unfortunately, there is no active track feature on the DJI Mini 3. We are very beginners when it comes to flying drones, or I should say my husband is. I just do the backseat drone driving, but he found it very easy to fly it. All right, you guys, let's go shoot some content. I want to show you what this drone is capable of. Here is some of the first footage we captured. This is the horizontal view. As you can see, like, the quality is quite amazing. Like, if you look at the detail on the ocean, on the waves. Okay, so these next few videos are the reason why we purchased this drone in the first place, for its vertical shooting capability. It's absolutely stunning. I post a lot on my social media platforms and wanted a drone that shot true vertical, and the DJI Mini 3 is perfect for that. We had a drone in the past, it only shot horizontal, and I thought, okay, I could bring it into iMovie or a video editing program and just crop it, but that was super annoying and obviously didn't work. Here is a view of the touchscreen controller. To view the content you shot, just click the album button at the bottom of the screen and you'll see all of your videos and photos. Another feature we like about this drone is the return to home button. Once you hit the H button on the controller, you hold it down, it will beep and a voice command will say return to home, and the drone will turn around and land by itself on the starting point.